Arena, ito po yung medyo nagkalituhan. Itong si Palad at Las Marias. Palad was running already to set herself for the second touch. And that gives National University a 16-5 score. Byron, nakaposte na dun sa service area.
At the service zone.
And he's doing an excellent job. Probably around 7 or 8 serves already for Byron.
Other than the whole chemistry thing, and the skills also that NU has improved from last year, ang malaking bagay dun dyan, as we see another hitting error from UP, is that confidence.
Yeah.
Confidence that you can come into this arena, you can beat anyone.
That's right.
Last year, they had the mentality that they could surprise anyone. Now it's we can beat anyone.
That's right, that's right. That's a huge difference in the mindset of these players.
Southland again.
There you go,
Finally breaking the spell.
That was hitting it off the block. Sante a bit late in joining the double block, and that gave Southland that gap in the block that she was able to get the ball through.
6 serving 17. Salibad goes back to Maricar. Palad up to Las Marias. Good hit, good reception, good dig. A free ball for UP, that's rare. Las Marias. Sante, quick!
Sante.
Variety of attack from National University.
Sante getting that point via the quick play. Salibad again with a good speed.
Correct. Kalain mo yun, Ian, and this is not to say anything negative about National University. On the contrary, this is a compliment to them. 2-3 years ago, puro free ball ang makikita mo na binibigay nila. They try, but
right.
most usually nagiging free ball. What a jump!
I know. And there wasn't much movement on the floor.
Yes. And a testament to the athletic department of the school,
The program.
Of course, Coach Janelle Baculi is the head of that, and he did say, watch out for us in 2 to 3 years, and he did say that about their basketball team and their volleyball team. This time, Palad and Se.
That's right. Se approached too soon. Palad with a high set.
Nakapaan pa itong UP with Palad as the setter, Ian.
There you go. Even the blockers just went up with Se, and the ball just went over her. So definitely a mistimed play for the UP squad.
Palad up to Las Marias. Salibad, back to Maricar. Yun yung sinasabi mong dinevelop niya.
Yeah. Very huge. For crucial exchanges, for crucial parts of the match, is very important.
UP score 6.
Tingnan po natin si Coach Jaron.
Okay, kailangan natin mag-loosen up. Okay, masyado tayong tense. Lahat ng attack natin, lahat ng movement natin. Kulang na lang may counting. Okay, kasi masyado tayong masyado structured yung movement nangyayari. Based sa situation, tsaka tayo mag-react. Diba? Masyadong tense yung muscles natin. Okay? Yung kailangan natin gawin. So, gawin natin to sa last points na yan na darating. Try natin makarecover para sa sunod na sets. Okay? Para pag-start ng second set, gawa na natin kaagad na paraan yan. Okay? Let's go!
That is an excellent timeout. Regardless of what happens here, that I think he was on point on that one.
That's right. Yung sinabi niya na you're so structured, it means that parang wala kang ibang
walang adlib,
wala kang motion na pwede yan. Pag hindi na nasunod yung iniisip mong gawin, you don't do anything anymore. So that is so structured. Sabi nga, it doesn't produce results. Definitely against a team like NU. NU would utilize strategies as hitting it off the block, dump shots, down the line shots, and that's where you need yung sinasabi mga ad-lib, like stepping to the right, stepping to the left, and at least getting a touch. Yun yung importante, at least keeping the ball in play, and everything will follow after that.
Alam mo, ang daming beses na dito na underhand set si Palad, which is a bad sign because pag nakikita mo yan, that means she's always out of position. Not because she wants to, but because yung first touch is always faulty.
That's right. She's not getting it where she could set up a combination attack or probably fool some blockers in the process. It's always going to be underhand. Means that ball just going either to the left or to the right.
Reception error again by Cuevas. There, Salibad to Agano, who reaches for that one. Chance here for UP. Las Marias, check. Ball still alive. Oh, nice Puntos na yun.
Yep.
Tumama na.
Yep.
And that will do it.
Score.
Oh, sorry, that's a 1 point away.
Now,
Set point.
set point.
It is obviously, for the side of NU, the start that they wanted
Yep.
this season.
A very tense UP team. Medyo
Very
tight nga. Medyo tight.
Ooh,
Oh,
nice
what a
serve.
serve by Sante. Set. And that pretty much
NU takes set point.
describes this set. National University shuts the door on UP in the first set. 25-6 is our score. Hopefully for the UP fans, this is just opening set jitters para po sa kanila. Balik po tayo, second set action from the arena on Studio 23.